So here's how you can add an event to more than one calendar on iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, when you're creating your event, you can see that you go to this page, which, of course, lets you set up the title and all of the information. But then you can see which calendar you want to categorize it to. And by default, we only have like one option, right? You can choose only one calendar and where you want to put it. And that way, you can categorize it to that particular calendar, right? So if you want to add it to multiple, just, at first pick one, it will be added to the calendar as usual. And then you're going to have to hold it down on it, click on more options, and you can see we can duplicate it. So when we duplicate this event, you can see that it will appear multiple different times. So we have it twice right here. Then you can tap on the other one and put it into a different calendar. Right, so technically you have the same event. All of the information is going to be copied from the previous one. So, it's not like you have to manually set it up again for another calendar. You just duplicate it and then change it for the different one. So at the end of the day, it's pretty simple. That's how you can do it. Keep in mind, of course, that there are like the different calendar apps on the App Store or different clients or whatever. So it depends on which account you are using. But if you're using like Google account for your calendars, you can explore some other options as well if you don't prefer the way it works in here. So let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for tutorials and more upcoming videos like this. And I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.